Well, so exam which is on 12th September, for that when the admit card will come. 6 was the last date for form, but yet you guys has not received the payment confirmation. Third most important, today was the date for mock paper by NATA. That's you guys are not able to access. And the most important, the student though their exam got cancelled, so what is the update for you guys? So all this we'll discuss in this video. So let's watch this video till then and get the all information. This is Krishnanand Singh, your coach, mentor, and first of all we would like to say thank you to all of our viewers. It's really a best gift for this teacher day what Ignite India have now 1 million views on YouTube, making us the biggest education platform for design, architecture and management courses. So it's a great belief from you guys, and we'll continue in the same way. We'll come up with the all information, small or big, whatever question and doubt you have. Make sure keep watching us, keep sharing us, and let's have happy learning. So start this video. Well, so before starting these points, I would like to say one more thing. For your 12th exams, we are having crash courses, which in terms of rapid course, mega test series, rapid course basic and advanced, where you have complete. So all these courses, if you want to know in detail, you want to shape up your preparation, you want to score higher and higher in a 150 plus what our students are keep getting in the exam, so make sure you contact us immediately. Now we'll start with the students, though unfortunately your exam got cancelled for first round, which you are having again. For that, 8 is the last date to send the request. If you're not able to send the request, you will not able to get write re-exam. So I'll make it clear again. If your exam got cancelled by any way and you are not able to get your result for the first round, either you have given the exam from home showing us suspicious, or you have given exam from center, and there are many students had faced the problem, and maybe you also face the problem, you have to send the re-request before the 8th. The all details are given there, the notification by COA, NATA. Make sure you follow that. You will able to write the exam, and this exam you do not need to pay anything extra. That means you do not need to pay anything extra fee for this entrance exam. Second most important, for your admit card. Many of you are asking, sir, when the admit card will come? I cannot ensure you guys because there is now not as such information we do have, but because on your trust, we try to find out on our authentic sources. The information says that this admit card will come on 9th or maybe 10th, the tentative date. Now the third most important point is today was the date for your mock test, which was not yet conducted by the NATA. May have some server problem. Again, we don't have as such complete information. So this thing they are trying, and you will able to write from now to till 10th all this. So in between you can write. It's not important to write the test today only. If it's not able to access, not an issue, you can resend the request and you can write it this test. Now the most important thing, and the problem was the student, though they have filled the form of for second round on 5th evening and 6th, their payment got confirmed, but they haven't received anything, a confirmation of their form number or next step. Do not need to worry again, because there is a server problem and the website issue that will resolve, and after that it will confirm. Do not need to worry about it. Once you have done the payment, you can follow the 3 steps what Ignite suggests you. Take the screenshot, attach in the mail, send the COA and NATA. It's very accessible, NATA help desk. They are giving the solution of it. So make sure you do it and send this complaint. They will work on it. So that's what the information in this video. I would like to repeat again. If you wanna get all information about your 12th exam, want to become a topper, make sure access our paid courses, which is already there. And there are 3 type of the course. There are the mock test series. We have a complete rapid course program, and we have a dynamic program where you have mega test series along with complete part A prep. So part A, part B classes, math, reasoning classes, your part A complete class test paper, everything is going on in a whole day process. So you want to be a part of this club, you want to attend these classes, make sure contact the Ignite team immediately. The numbers are given here. You can register us and you can get the best mentor and suggestion to get the highest marks in upcoming NATA entrance exam. Well guys, so that's it from this video. all this information for you guys. Do not forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon button. And to get the more information about Ignite India, do not forget to go and follow our official page, that is Ignite_India on Instagram. There we comes live at 10 p.m. or we come up with the many information also on that page, so that you can attend our test and other series. So first step is you have to go and follow and then write your question in the chat box. Immediately once you will follow and you are being a part of our family, you will able to access so many information along with the Ignite India. You will get the benefit after following and being a part of Ignite family. So thank you for once again thank you for making us 1 million views channel. That's a great milestone. It's not possible because all of you guys. So signing off here, Krishnanand Singh.